I'm Jacob, I'm 17 and I've been a Network Cable Installation Apprentice for 5 months. Network infrastructure is a developing industry and everything needs a connection these days, and the work we do, it enables that connectivity. I learn better when I am able to practically do things, so with an apprenticeship like mine I know I get to do things with my hands as well as get the theory side, which is just as important. You're able to be creative and then physically apply your ideas into your work. There's like loads of problem solving to do with loads of different solutions, and it's good to have, be able to have that creative freedom. It were a surprise that there's a team out, up and early, ready for you, and you have to come out because there's people that rely on you, people in the office, the clients, your team. I've had support from everyone in the company. I've had everyone that I work with. I know I can speak to them. I know that the managing team, like project managers, project engineers, they're always there. There's an ADP team, which is the Apprenticeship Development Partners, and I know that any questions I have to do with anything, I can just message them straight away. Be yourself, don't exaggerate who you are, because if you come in saying, yeah, I know how to do the job, I can do this and that, that's not what they're really looking for. They're looking for a person who wants to learn instead of knows it all, because you can teach a person how to you can do the job, but you can't teach them to want to do it and have a positive attitude. So just show who you are, and that way, if you fit into the team, you'll get selected, and that's what's best for everyone. I know with the apprenticeship, I get loads of practical experience as well as many qualifications that will come in useful no matter what I do. If I like to stay as an engineer, I know I'll have experience and knowledge to do just that. There's also, within the company, you can move up to more management roles. There's, loads of different things I can do. So I've only been here 5 months, but I've worked in a variety of environments like banks, care homes, manufacturing factories, kids' activities camps. And, no 2 days are the same. You get different things every single time.